Operation video of 16-channel groundwater detector. The 16-channel groundwater detector system includes the main device, measuring cable, electrodes, hammer, etc. During measurement, insert the electrodes into the ground at equal intervals. Lay out the measuring cable. Clip it into the slots on the electrodes and connect the cable to the main device. This completes the basic setup of the system. On the main screen of the device, tap New Measurement. Name the survey line and tap Confirm. Select the measurement depth according to actual needs. For measurement mode, choose Electrode Probe. Then tap Check and Update to automatically acquire the number of channels. Tap Confirm to enter the measurement screen. Tap the Measure button and wait for the data collection to complete. After the measurement is finished, tap Draw. Choose the desired image type, and you can analyze the underground situation on site.